In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text, whether left, right, center, or justify. In Google Docs, this skill can be incredibly helpful when you want to ensure your document looks polished and professional. Whether you're preparing a resume, a report, or just a note for personal use, being able to control text alignment is essential. So, let's get started. First, open up your Google Docs document where you want to align the text. Once you're in the document, the first thing you'll need to do is highlight the text that you want to modify. Simply click at the beginning of the text, hold down your mouse button, and drag over the text you want to highlight. Release the mouse button when you've selected the desired text. This helps Google Docs know which specific section of text you intend to adjust. Now that your text is highlighted, let's move to the header area where you'll see a row of tool icons. Look for the text alignment icon, which looks like a series of horizontal lines next to an arrow pointing down. This is the Align button. Click on that to bring up a small menu with your alignment options. Let's start with Left Align. This is the default option in most documents and ensures that your text starts from the left margin. To do this, click on Left Align from the options. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Shift plus L if you're on a Mac or Control plus Shift plus L if you're using Windows. Next, if you'd like your text to be centered, such as for titles or headings, you can select Center Align. You'll see that the text is now perfectly positioned in the middle of the line. To speed this up with a shortcut, on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus E, or on Windows, it's Control plus Shift plus E. If you want to align your text to the right, perhaps to create a distinctly styled section, or for alignment purposes in a formal document, select Right Align. This will push your text over to the right margin. The shortcut is Command plus Shift plus R on a Mac or Control plus Shift plus R on Windows. Lastly, we have the Justify option, which is really useful in making blocks of text, like paragraphs, look neat because it stretches each line to fit both the left and right margins. Activate this by clicking on Justify or using Command plus Shift plus J on Mac or Control plus Shift plus J on Windows. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you can ensure your text is aligned just the way you want in Google Docs. Keep experimenting with these options to see which alignments work best for your specific document needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.